Hi guys, DK here from Rad Sky Lab, and welcome to day one of our workshop build. And as you'll see in the title, this is cleaning the filth. And what it is 20 years of this. Well, this workshop was used for 20 years as an automotive workshop, and there is 20 years of accumulated oil and grease all over this entire floor. So much so that we weren't even able to, we weren't able to get started on any other job in here. Like literally bringing in a piece of wood and putting it down on the floor would have had it turn black. And first job, let's clean the floor. And this video that you're watching right now, this is actually recorded sort of late in the day. We'd actually spent a good part of the day running around looking for suppliers, really, like where to get things like brooms, squeegees, and a good degreaser. And we went as far afield as Humansdorp, which is kind of the next sort of commercial town over from Jeffreys Bay, and we managed to find a degreaser that was well recommended to us at a sort of a farm engineering sort of supply place over in Humansdorp. So that was a really good find, but it's kind of just part of the process of getting yourself set up in a new town and getting new supply chains for all of this stuff. So the plan here, or the idea that you're seeing here, is we're laying out or wetting out the floor and then applying degreaser and sort of scrubbing it in to give it a really good chance to work. And we're going to leave this overnight to sort of really try and lift all of this grease and grime off the floor. And then we're going to bring in a power washer the second day and let's see if we can blast all of this grime off the floor. And we worked our way all the way into the sort of extended part of the workshop there that had been used as a sort of engineering bay, and it had things like cutting fluid and stuff built up on the floor. So, but it looked like this degreaser was doing its job.
Good morning, Willow. How are you? All right, we are on day 2. Yeah, so this is Wednesday, and last night, you'll actually have seen some footage. We laid down a whole bunch of degreaser onto this floor last night and let it soak in, and we're just trying to, you can probably see here, just trying to lift. You can see all this oil scum. We're just trying to lift some of the oil out of this floor so that we've got a surface we can work on. There's squeegees and mops and all sorts. So turning up shortly is going to be a power washer, and we're going to get in and just power wash this whole floor. It's coming with a rotary attachment, and we're going to be able to try and clean up 20 years of grime off this floor. It doesn't need to be perfect, but we do need it to be a lot better than what it is right now.
So the power washer was delivered, and Sue decided that was going to be her job for the day. So she's getting started here in the very back corner of the sort of extended part of the workshop, and the idea here is we're sort of going to blast a section at a time, and then we've got this floor squeegee to help sort of push the excess water and grime out of what we're working on. And some of the locations need a little bit more scrubbing. We're sort of the squeegee just allowed us to sort of push the water out and sort of continue on blasting the various sections, and then. We're moving into the main workshop here, and you can see there's still a lot of gravel and all sorts coming up. But one of the things we'd picked up the day before was a wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and as we were doing a section, we were coming back with the vacuum and sort of sucking up the the water and gunge off the floor, so we could dispose of it down the sewage rather than have this oily residue go out into the stormwater. And it would only take maybe a minute or less than a minute for the vacuum cleaner to get filled with this water. But yeah, just working, get a load at a time and disposing of it, we were able to get this floor, well, I don't actually consider reasonably clean. By the end of the day, what we were pulling up off the floor was basically, it started off as black, and by the end of the day, it was clear. So a huge day, very, very warm, very sweaty, but it did allow us to get a workable floor, which you will hopefully see in the next video. Thanks very much for watching, guys.